Hello everyone, it is another episode of 5 Minutes with simplydata. In today's installment of our automation series, we will be exploring the topic of logs enrichment, which plays a crucial role in monitoring and delivering valuable insights to our customers. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below or reach out to me directly on LinkedIn. I'm Samia, your host for today. Logs enrichment has numerous applications, and today we will be focusing on some of the key use cases for our NOC and SOC teams. Today we will be using logs enrichment specifically to extract valuable device and site information for our NOC team. By enriching the logs with data such as device hostname, device type, site name, and state name, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the device and its location. For instance, in the case of a firewall located in Burford Sabah with its bandwidth usage, or a switch located in Sandakan Sabah with the device's availability data. All of this enrichment is done automatically by our backend engine. By grouping the devices by area or type, we can determine whether the site experiences recurring power outages or ISP disruptions and recommend appropriate solutions, for example, installing UPS devices on site or escalating the issue to the customer's internet service provider. Rather than simply presenting a report, logs enrichment will enable us to provide actionable insights and recommendations to our customers. For our SOC use case, we use logs enrichment to obtain geolocation information for all traffic and security logs. By enriching the destination IP with location details, such as in the case of 4078.239.100, which we identify as a Microsoft-owned IP in Singapore, we can easily eliminate false positives. For instance, if an exfiltration alert is triggered and our analyst sees that the destination IP belongs to Microsoft, it is highly likely that it is a false positive. Our analyst would then flag this and escalate it to our level 3 analysts, who can fine-tune the symbols accordingly. Furthermore, we also enrich device name and criticality information for all traffic and security logs. This is especially true for server segments. For instance, in our lab, we have assigned a medium criticality to a testing Active Directory server, while another device has been given a low criticality rating. This allows us to effectively manage assets and risks and prioritize our monitoring activities accordingly. By knowing which assets require more attention, we can investigate multiple alerts simultaneously and streamline our monitoring process for more efficient operations. Linking back to the geolocation enrichment use case, what we usually do is monitor failed SSL VPN logins. If you see the filter set in this dashboard, we are only looking at failed VPN logs. For obvious reasons, we are censoring some sensitive information. By monitoring the source geolocation of the failed SSL VPN logins, we can make an informed assessment of whether it's a failed login by a legitimate employee or an attempted attack. For instance, in this case, we observe that the failed login attempt is from Pakistan, a country where the customer has no employees or suppliers. Consequently, our analyst recommends policy fine-tuning to reduce the attack surface on the customer's SSL VPN as part of our incident response activity. Logs collection is merely the first step in monitoring, and the enrichment and analysis of these logs distinguish a good managed service from a great one. We hope you now understand our monitoring center's approach and its significance. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.